introduction to the use of the website Blurb in order to make your final project for this class. So please log on to Blurb and get familiar with the site if you plan to use it for your final project. All right, so what format should you use? I recommend the Premium magazine. The format is 8.5 by 11 inches. If you want to spend more money, you can use the photo book format. The cover's more substantial and the paper quality is better, but just be aware it's much more expensive. And I don't recommend the economy magazine. It's only $2 less and the quality is really not good. So I recommend Premium magazine. How many photos should I add? You will need to add the 8 to 10 new photos that you're going to photograph for the final assignment. Then you can add as many of your other photos as you want. So you can use other photos that you took for this class. You can use photos that you took before this class started. The minimum page number is 20 pages. So if you don't have 20 photos, you can leave blank pages. You can put color on the pages, you can put text on the pages, and you can also only put one photo on each page. So it's called a newsstand magazine, and it's 8.5 by 11 inches. The page count ranges from 20, so 20 is the minimum, to 240 pages. And it's perfect bound, which is a particular type of binding. So the page count must be divisible by 4. So if you add pages, you have to add them by 4. So you could start with 20, 24, 28, 32, etc. The title and other informations. Please think of a title for your book. This might be the same as the title for your series of photographs, but you need to put a title. And you need to include your name prominently in the book. Sometimes people forget to put their name in there. Make sure your name's spelled correctly. You laugh, but it's really sad when the magazine comes back and your name is not spelled correctly. So especially if you want to use this as a promo piece, you really want to have your name in there. You can include other information about the photographs like date and location, or if each photograph has a title, you can certainly put that on the page or on the page opposite the photograph. And you want to include your contact information and your social media information as well. So you guys want to think about this as a promo piece, and you want to let the person know how they can get a hold of you. I would not put my address, but you could decide you could put your email address and your social media contacts. All right, so for the layout, I recommend making your own layout. You're going to download the Bookright software, but Blurb also has layouts that you can use. Remember, their magazine layouts are assuming that their person is probably using more text than we are. We're just using photo. And you can use InDesign if you're familiar with that program. And I think Lightroom also has a link to Blurb. Pricing and shipping. So the premium magazines start at $5.99 for a 20-page magazine. And shipping ranges dramatically from $3.99 to $23.99. My strong suggestion is to make a PDF. Once you're finished with the magazine, there is an option to make a low-res PDF file. And you can certainly do that. The quality is not that great. The other thing you can do is pay $4.99 for a higher res PDF file. And either the low or the high res you can upload to Canvas and then pay the least amount of shipping. So just get the slowest shipping, $3.99, and you'll get your magazine after the semester's over, which is fine because you'll have the PDF and the receipt. So once you have the PDF file, you can use that along with your receipt. So I do need to see the receipt that you did order this. But you won't have to pay a lot of money for shipping, and you won't have to worry so much about getting it before that proof is due on Canvas. All right, Blurb gives you a coupon when you sign up for their mailing list, and they send a lot of coupons as well. So, if you decide you want to get on their mailing list, you might get a coupon. All right, and so now we're going to just go quickly to the Blurb site. Here it is. So this is blurb.com, and you want to go up here to the top where it says products, go up to the top where it says products, and you can see that they have a lot of different types of products. Here's photo books, wall art, trade books. What I'm recommending is the magazine. So click on the magazine, and then you can get started right away. You can also get some information. So here's the size and the page count and the printing and the covers. And you can, they give you some ideas. They also, I said they have those layout templates. I would maybe think about making, doing your own layout, but if you want to use a template, you can. And they also have some links. So they have tips, formats, and some other YouTube videos. So you can go there. I'm just going to say get started. And here's the magazine. And again, it's going to be $5.99 for 20 pages and 20 cents for each page. Again, you guys, go for premium magazine. The economy magazine's only $2 less, and the quality is just not good. So premium magazine, and then create your magazine. You're going to download Bookright, and you can get started from there. The last thing I was going to do is just search, and I'm going to search for, I don't even have to. So I go, okay, so let's do that again. I'm going up to where it says help, up here at the top, help. And then I'm going to orders and shipping. And then I'm going to shipping information and price. So here I am in the help center, shipping information and price. And you can use a shipping estimate tool. And so I'm going to get one premium magazine. I'm going, for me, I'm shipping to the US, and let's do the CSUN zip code. I'm going to calculate that, and then it's going to give you all the costs. So remember, it goes from $3.99 to $23.99. You guys always pick the economy shipping, because even if it gets here late, that's fine. You'll still have the PDF. And so you order it, they print it, and then they deliver it to you. All right. So I hope this is helpful. And if you have other questions, you know where to find me. You can always ask me.